Welcome back, guys. Just doing this one freehand here right now. The space for a few things is a little restricted, so I've got it on top of the old deep freeze, which has a hard plastic top, but not quite level. So I got a piece of the old piece of the wood underneath it. Now, this wood was one of those art frames where it's printed on one side, and one of the corners got damaged, so I figured let's recycle it, but it's actually too big to get all in shot if I'm that close. But we're not going to worry about the top so much right now. I've got these guys temporarily stuck down with some double-sided sticky, and that moves. I'm going to have to put just a little bit more silicone on that one, but other than that it moves really easy. You can just sort of see these are the metal rails from the barbecue, and I'm just going to pick the printer up and see if I can spin it around. Actually, it's a frame now, it's not a printer yet. They've got some 1032 nuts and bolts, one at the bottom and one right here, and these are steel, these black things. And as you can see, there was some art print on that, but I'm not going to show too much of that. In case somebody tries to claim copyright or something on it. Who knows these days. But, yeah, the steel frame holds that pretty rigid right there. I've just got that clamped, but it gives you an idea where the rail's going to go. This is the one I've got to heat adjust where there. I'm either going to reprint this or try and heat it or file it to see if that's all it is. If it's only like a half a mil or something out of alignment, it will move, but it kind of has a need to get it started first, which is not good. It's way too tight. The other one upstairs with the motor on it, I'll be lining that up and putting it on there, maybe later tonight. And yeah, and then of course the bed down here. This line, it's kind of hard to see at the moment, and somehow that got out of alignment. I guess the double-sided sticky came off on this one. This line is roughly where the print head will hover. And as you can see, even at this angle, the bed passes more than that. The bed can move more than its whole length. And I mean, that's important for end stops and whatnot, but that'll make sure that you can use as much of the printable area as possible. I have the heat bed off, and I do have the stuff to try and cut the glass, but I also have some glass on order for to go on top of the heat bed. But all that's a little bit later. I still have to design and like the design for how the y-axis stepper is going to be. Anyhow, if you've got any questions or comments, don't hesitate to put them below. And as always, thanks for watching.